What if staying safe is the biggest danger in your life? Before we begin, subscribe to English Chats Daily, because here you don't just learn English, you build a powerful mindset for life. In a quiet garden, under the soft morning light, 2 small seeds were lying side by side in the soil. The soil was warm. The air was calm. Everything felt safe. Both seeds were thinking about their future. The first seed said softly, "I am scared. If I grow, I will have to push through the hard soil. What if I get hurt? What if the sun is too hot? What if the rain is too heavy? I think it is better to stay here, safe, inside the ground." The seed stayed still. It chose safety. The second seed spoke in a calm, steady voice. "Yes, it may be difficult, but I want to see the sunlight. I want to feel the fresh air. I want to grow slowly, with quiet determination." The second seed began to move. The soil was heavy. The seed pushed upward little by little. It faced pressure. It faced darkness. But it did not stop. Day by day, it kept going. One morning, a small green shoot came out of the soil. The sunlight touched it gently. The air moved around it. The seed had now become a young plant. It stood small but strong. Meanwhile, the first seed was still under the ground. Nothing had changed. It was safe, but it was not growing. Days passed. One day, a bird came to the garden. The bird scratched the soil, found the seed, and ate it. The seed that chose safety never got a chance to grow. Above the ground, the young plant stood quietly in the sunlight. It had faced struggle, but now it was alive, growing and becoming stronger every day. Safety can feel comfortable, but comfort can stop your growth. Risk may feel scary, but risk is the path to becoming stronger. Safety keeps you stuck. Risk helps you grow. So next time, when you feel afraid to try something new, ask yourself, am I staying safe or am I choosing to grow? And if this story made you think, even a little, subscribe to English Chats Daily, because here we don't just improve English, we build a mindset that changes your life.